fruit of a tree, petals of a flower. Ayan. Lahat naman ng parts of a flower. Some plants grow in ponds, rivers, lakes, and seas. They are called aquatic plants. Ibig sabihin na aquatic plants, yung mga tanim na nabubuhay sa tubig. Alam mo yon. Katulad ng water lily. Yan, mga water lily. Mga sea plants. Yung mga tanim na nabubuhay sa ilalim ng dagat. Some plants grow on trunks of trees, on high places, or other objects. They are called aerial plants. Aerial plants, katulad ng mga orchids. Kasi,